Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the ElevenLabs unusual activity detected problem. So this error may appear when you try to generate audio. It can stop you from creating anything new, but luckily there are a few simple fixes you can try. So first, clear the ElevenLabs cookies saved in your browser, and then open your browser settings, then go to the privacy or site settings section, and then find the cookie options. And then from there, open the list of all site data and permissions, and then search for ElevenLabs and delete its stored cookies. So once that is done, return to ElevenLabs, sign in again, and try generating your audio. If the error is still showing, check whether you are connected to a VPN. So a VPN can change your location or network information, which may cause ElevenLabs to detect unusual activity. Turn off the VPN, log back into your account, and then test the audio generator again. And finally, your account may have been flagged. Finally, your account may have been flagged by mistake. So to avoid this, do not use a temporary email. Use a trusted email address such as Gmail. And after following these steps, try using ElevenLabs again and check whether the error has disappeared. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.